Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are diving into the latest mid-range powerhouse from Samsung the Galaxy M56. With upgraded features, a stylish design and a focus on performance, this phone is here to challenge the competition. Samsung has packed the Galaxy M56 with impressive hardware. It comes with a stunning 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display offering a high refresh rate for smoother visuals. The colors are vibrant, the brightness is excellent, and the overall viewing experience is top-notch, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the latest Exynos chipset, delivering fast and efficient performance. Whether you are multitasking, gaming, or using power-hungry apps, the M56 ensures a lag-free experience. It also comes with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, giving you plenty of space for all your apps, media, and files. The battery is another major highlight, featuring a massive 6000 mAh capacity with fast charging support, keeping you powered up all day long. The exterior of the Galaxy M56 is designed to impress. Samsung has opted for a sleek and premium look with a slim profile and a polished back panel. The camera module is neatly integrated, maintaining a modern aesthetic. The phone is available in multiple color options, so you can pick one that suits your style. The in-display fingerprint scanner ensures quick and secure unlocking, while the overall build feels solid and durable. It retains a 3.5mm headphone jack and supports stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the advanced camera setup. The main camera is a high-resolution sensor, capturing detailed and vibrant images even in low-light conditions. The ultra-wide and macro lenses add versatility, allowing you to take stunning landscape shots and close-up details with clarity. The front camera is equally impressive, perfect for selfies and video calls. AI enhancements improve image quality, ensuring that every shot looks professional. The software experience is smooth thanks to the latest One UI running on Android. Samsung has optimized the user interface for better efficiency and customization. You get enhanced security features, regular software updates, and a clutter-free experience with minimal bloatware. To conclude, the Samsung Galaxy M56 is a well-rounded mid-range smartphone with a fantastic display, powerful performance, long battery life, and a premium design. It checks all the right boxes for those looking for a reliable and stylish device without breaking the bank. If you are considering upgrading your phone, this might be a solid choice. That's all for today's review. Let me know what you think about the Samsung Galaxy M56 in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to FK iPhone for more tech updates. See you in the next one. Here's your YouTube script for the Samsung Galaxy M56 2025. Let me know if you need any modifications or additions.